Morning.
They're serving at 12 o'clock.
No problem. I was going to ask you a wee favour. Could I possibly take a picture of you and I'll email it to you?
Yeah.
But I just love the whole setting.
Yeah, sure.
The snow.
No worries, absolutely.
Yeah.
You want just the trailer?
No, of you, just like,
Yeah.
just
okay.
me
Yeah.
leaning out and I'll email it to you. I like the whole setting and the benches.
Okay. Yeah, no worries.
Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Appreciate that.
Do you need to look at the camera or like?
I'll do one look at the camera and one not looking at the camera. I just love the idea. It's snowing, there's just this warmth coming from you. Let me get them closer as well. Just try to get some snow in here because it just adds to it. Could you go slightly just a bit over there so I can get the flames in as well? Yeah. Wow. Excuse me. This might sound a bit strange, but could I possibly get a photo of you two and I'll send it to you? I've just got this vision in my head of this gate, and as a token of respect, I'll send you the photo as well. I'm just looking for a couple. Sorry, my name's Zeno, sorry.
I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Just if you could stand about here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What do you want us to do?
Just be natural. Yeah. Well, we'll do some looking at me and then somebody's maybe looking at each other. Thank you. Sorry, could you just maybe stand? It's my fault, sorry. Big deal.
Okay.
That's perfect.
So we used to do
Oh yeah, natural then. So for the one sticking out your back, perfect. Do you want me to take a picture of the four of you? Yeah? Okay. Which one? Yeah. You're very welcome. Awesome. Just that one. Yeah.
And the background be the...
Yeah, of course. Sorry. Last one. So welcome. Will you just share that one, yeah? Awesome. Bye-bye. Get into it. I'll get the door, that's it.